I hear people sometimes ask the question, what is the fastest way to make money online? And of course there are a number of ways to do that, but there are only a handful that you can do really fast, and that is something called affiliate marketing. I would also say Kindle is pretty fast if you do that correctly, but I think affiliate marketing is probably faster, but that takes some skills with paid advertising, in my opinion, unless you have a big following. So if you can master the skills of, let's say, paid advertising like Facebook traffic and Google AdWords or something like that, then affiliate marketing, I would say, is probably the fastest way to make money online, and that's why so many people choose that form of business model. That said, I think you should mix as many income streams you can together, so when you have something going, like let's say affiliate marketing, it's easy to put that on autopilot or get someone else to take care of that for you. So that's why many marketers try to start with affiliate marketing, because that makes or provides a groundwork for their businesses and makes it easier for them to scale up with maybe creating their own content, blog posts, YouTube videos, etc. So so it just kind of depends on what way you want to go. You can of course also start with your own products. That's the opposite of affiliate marketing. Then you create your own product. That takes more time, of course, and more work, but it can pay off, in my opinion, way more than affiliate marketing. So the downside to having your own product is that it takes time. It has taken me, for example, up to 6 months creating one product, and most people don't have that kind of spare time. So of course it's much easier to go with affiliate marketing. So I'm just heading over now to my car. Still have a long way to go, going down this I don't know what it's Gore or something. I'm not good at the English vocabulary with these kind of formations. So a good way to start making money online is to first of all work on creating a following or subscriber base of people. You can do that by providing them with various kind of assistance and help with maybe something. If you decide to go the online business way, you can share with them what you're going through and what you have experienced, and people will appreciate that, and maybe even buy products that you recommend to them. And then I would move on to, well, of course it's up to you what you do, but then it's easier to go later on into maybe creating your own products. So in my opinion, the fastest way to make money online is with other people's products. But that's just my opinion. Hope you got value out of this video, and talk later.